In TradingView, the trend duration forecast is one of the best free indicators any beginner trader can use. One of the ways many beginners trade using this tool is by simply reacting to the changing color of the trend duration line. When it changes to green, they buy, and when it changes to red, they sell. But wait a second, if you do that, you're going to get wrecked. Let's first adjust the indicator settings, and then I'll teach you something much more accurate. Open up the input section in the settings window. First, set the smoothing length to 100. This is the crucial because the default settings is way too sensitive and pick up every little twitch in the market. By cranking this up to 100, we're forcing the indicator to ignore the noise and focus on the dominant follow. Next, set the trend duration to 4. Finally, change the trend sample size to 14. These specific numbers are going to tighten up the math so the signals you get are actually significant. Now click over to the Style tab. We need to declutter the chart so you can actually see what price is doing. Disable the label options and then disable the tables option. We don't need them. So now the changing color signals would be better. But as I said, I have something much better for you. Look at the chart right here. The market is in a ranging situation. If you trade using the color changing of the line and dead zone, look at the mess it creates. It generates so many false signals in the sideways market. You would be buying the tops and selling the bottoms. Or take a look at this downtrend market right here. This can also create counter trend signals even when the trend is clearly down. Relying purely on the color flip would lead to consecutive losses. So first, let's identify the trend properly. For beginner traders, I recommend using the MA ribbon R2 indicator by just Uncle L on TradingView platform. Go ahead and add it to your chart. It generates this color ribbon on the chart, green for uptrends and red for downtrends. But I'm going to teach you a method to see the upper time frame ribbon without actually switching the chart or losing your entry precision. We need to hack the settings a bit. Open the inputs. We need to set the ribbon to a fast EMA of 100 and a slow EMA of 200. But since we need to set it to one time frame higher, we're going to double the length. So set the fast EMA to 200 and then set the slow EMA to 400. By doubling these values, we're essentially seeing the trend of the higher time frame overlaid directly on your current trading chart. So now we can follow the trend easily. So now if the ribbon is red, the trend is down. And if the ribbon is green, the trend is up. This makes us filter out all the counter trend signals. For example, look at this downtrend market situation on the screen. Because the ribbon is red, we ignore all buy signals from the trend duration line. We're strictly bearish. Or look at here in this uptrend market where the ribbon is green. We ignore all sell signals. We're strictly bullish. But the point is how to trade in a ranging market situation or how to pinpoint the entry. Just a quick disclaimer, everything I'm showing you is for educational purposes based on my own testing. So always manage your risk properly and never trade with money you can't afford to lose. The key is that we do not trade just because of the color change of the line. That is still too risky. We need a price action concept to act as our trigger. Look at here. The chart is on an uptrend since the ribbon is green. The trend duration line here changes to green. Most traders would click buy right now, but we do not open a position yet. Instead, we look for the most recent swing high. I'm identifying the swing high right here, reached before the recent pullback. I'm drawing a horizontal line on it. Now the breakout of this resistance line is our confirmation. We need to see a candle close above this line. That confirms bullish momentum, and this is when we open a long trade. For a stop loss, we would set it slightly below the color trend line itself, or if you want it to be safer, below the recent swing low. The take profit can be set to 2 times or 3 times the risk of the trade. Let me show you some more examples right here on the chart so you can better understand the mechanics. Let's move forward on the same chart. The trend is still up because our ribbon is still green. Here we get the line changing to red. Stop. This is counter trend. Ignore it completely. Do not try to short this. Move on a bit further. Here the color changes back to green. Okay, now we're interested. We draw a horizontal line on the recent swing high right here. Watch closely. Now there's a breakout. The candle has closed above our line. This is the signal. Open the long position. Set the stop loss and take profit just like I explained. Notice how waiting for the breakout kept us out of the chop until the momentum was confirmed. This is the difference between gambling and trading. For the last example, let me show you a downtrend example. Look at this section of the chart. The trend is down since the ribbon is clearly red. Here the line changes to red. So now we'll look for the most recent swing low. I'm drawing a horizontal line right on the support level. We're not entering yet. We're waiting. We'll look for a bearish breakout of this line. Watch this candle here. It breaks through and closes below. This would be the short signal. The stop loss goes slightly above the recent swing high or above the trend duration line itself. The take profit is 2 or 3 times the risk. Now you have the exact settings and the mechanical rules to catch these moves, but I need to be real with you for a second. You can have the perfect indicator, the perfect entry, and the perfect plan, and you can still blow your account if you don't fix what's happening in your head. I put together a video which is on the screen right now about the real reason most traders don't make money. It covers the emotional disasters I survived and the quiet truth about the breakthrough that no one admits to. If you're serious about this, you need to hear it. Click the video and I'll see you there. Happy trading!